Hi guys, now I'm at KL Bird Park and we have a lot of birds and it's very nice. There's a parrot, there's fish, our drink is here. There's our drink and it's so nice. It's so nice and there's literally a bird there just now and it's so nice. And by the way, that's all for today. And I think not now. There's still like birds coming. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait for my laksa to be here. There's the this is my drinks and there's beautiful plants. It's like nature. And this is me. And there's a camera view outside. And I'm gonna put the view camera here so you guys can see the view. Okay, let's just think and how much view. And there's so many, so nice. Even at the back, there's a fish water there. Oh, and my laksa is here. My laksa is here. There's my laksa. And there's a sambal there. Yeah. There is my delicious. And there's a chili tepeng. I bring my tepeng here. Tepeng, let me drink my tepeng, let me pick up my mask. Let me drink. I was like waiting for the bird to come out. Okay, there's a small plate here that's for me. And it's so nice view outside. And there's even so many good tables. I'm just gonna put this over like maybe I also don't know like here maybe. I just hope the phone doesn't fall because I'm not using camera, I'm using phone. There's just a beautiful view. I mean, and there's a beautiful sky. And by the way, that's all for today. Alright guys, bye.